Lights dim. A mahogany table gleams under a single lamp. 6 bridge fanatics huddle around it, tension thick as fog over the Thames. On the table, a weathered leather case labeled George and Mildred's Bridge Test Kit. Do not open unless you dare. Andrew, with a flourish, pulls out test number 9 from the kit. The room falls silent. Andrew, contract, 6 spades by South. Slam on the line. No bidding interference. West leads Club K, then Club 3 to East's Club Q, roughed by declarer. 1 trick down. You need all 12. What do you do? Tom gasps. 12. With that dummy. Bartek adjusts his glasses. Ah, classic test. Designed to break hearts and egos. Marjorie, probability says 48.4% chance diamonds break 4-2. That's your battlefield. Timmy's eyes narrow. The risk is in diamonds, but the solution? That's in the squeeze. Your have 30 minutes challenge. The clock starts. Tom scribbles furiously. Robert closes his eyes, visualizing distributions. Bartek mutters, if West guards both suits, he's your pigeon. What would you play? Cash all trumps? Cash diamonds early? Or set up a squeeze?
Subscribe our channel for more videos.
Key takeaways. Probability. 48.4% chance diamonds are 4-2. You're playing the odds. Discard tracking. You memorize the discards of your opponents and analyze the possible hands pattern. Squeeze play. Classic squeeze. West is squeezed in the pointed suits. Using dummies entry. Preserved dummy entry diamond 10. Result, 12 tricks made. Post-test chat. Tom, I was going to lead diamonds first. Why didn't that work? Robert, diamonds for the squeeze. Marjorie, and you didn't track discards. Crossword rule number 1. Follow the clues. Bartek, we would have done it in 3 moves. But this was elegant. George, smiling. Test number 9 separates the card counters from the card conquerors. Aunt Mildred, and now, who's for scones? Think you can solve test number 10? Subscribe for the next episode. Bridge isn't just cards. It's psychology, probability, poetry in pressure.